this is Marina from Mougins and Mallet, and I'm currently looking for an experienced housekeeper to work for our client who recently purchased a beautiful property in the south of France in Mouans-Sartoux near Mougins. This is a permanent and full-time position starting as soon as possible. This is a live-out position, so the right candidate has to be based locally. And the right candidate has to have experience working in formal households and also be able to speak both English and French. Also, the right candidate has to have longevity in their previous positions and excellent references from former employers. The salary is between 2,800 and 3,500 euros net per month. For more information, please check the job description below and feel free to apply. Thank you!